Hands-on projects. Learning by doing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English: hands-on projects. This phrase is commonly used in education and work environments, and understanding it can really help you in both learning and professional settings. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be involved in hands-on projects. The term hands-on refers to a method of learning or working where you are actively and physically engaged in a task. It's all about learning by doing rather than just listening, reading, or watching. When we say something is hands-on, we mean it involves active participation and practical experience. This could involve building something, experimenting, or creating something with your own hands. Now, let's talk about projects. A project is a task or set of tasks that have specific goals and timelines. It's an endeavor that requires planning, execution, and often, teamwork. Projects can be anything from a science experiment at school, a new marketing campaign at work, or even organizing a community event. When we combine these two terms, hands-on projects become activities where you are actively involved in working on a project. This approach is highly valued in both educational and professional settings because it helps in building practical skills, enhancing problem-solving abilities, and fostering teamwork and collaboration. Hands-on projects are a great way to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. To give you a clearer picture, here are some examples. 1. Science fair, creating a science project where you conduct experiments. 2. Cooking class, preparing dishes yourself in a culinary course. 3. Art workshop, creating art pieces in a guided session. 4. Group business plan, developing a business strategy with a team. These examples show how diverse hands-on projects can be, covering various fields and interests. And that wraps up our discussion on hands-on projects. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of what it means to engage in such activities. Remember, hands-on projects are all about learning by doing and applying your knowledge in practical situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice your English every day. See you in the next video.